Yeah, the reason we soldered the valve in place right here to make it easier to hold it in place when we start working with the other parts of the connection, and also so that we can feed the pipe up through the 2x4 here, which will make it easier. See, right here we're egg shaping the copper pipe because we know that the copper fitting itself and the valve is going to be round, and once we squeeze it in there it's going to stay nice and tight so that it won't fall out when we go to soldering the copper pipe. And this is the part that goes from the valve itself down to the tub spout where the water will come out to fill the tub. If you notice, when you are soldering in the vertical position, when the solder starts to run, you want to wipe it up into the fitting and not away, up into the fitting. And here we're going to egg shape the fitting and the copper pipe itself, and once we've done that we give it a little twist so it'll lock in place and won't fall out on us. Again, this is the spot where the tub spout's going to go. So we're coming back on the other side where the tub is and kind of get that as straight as we can. It should be close to center as we can get it to the tub. You can see right now we're trying to line it up with the faceplate down there. And now that we do have the valve soldered in place and cooled down, now we're going to install the Moen tub and shower cartridge. If you can see, let's see, right here where it says right at the tip